Hello everyone, Angelica here with a new series, Things I Want to Try from a Movie or Show. And today's show is a K-drama called Because This Is My First Life. The husband makes his wife breakfast and he decides to make her omurice. Now in the show, she goes to try it and she actually doesn't like it that much because he did not saute the vegetables. But I'm going to recreate this and make it tasty. It's going to be good. And also, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I will link those in the description below. Okay, so let's make some omurice. So let's go over the ingredients. I'm going to be using 2 large eggs, and here I have a little bit of red bell pepper and onion, and you'll notice I left them kind of chunky because that's kind of what it looked like in the show. Here I have 1 scallion. I separated the green from the whites. I have carrots, and I have 1 clove of garlic minced, and I'll be using soy sauce. Actually, this is tamari, but use what you've got. I also have some cooked rice. I did not want to make a huge pot of steamed rice, so I use this individual serving. It's in the microwave, but you know, it's pretty tasty and convenient. So here I'm going to start preheating my frying pan. I'm going to turn on the heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, maybe 1.5, and I'm going to start sauteing the carrot. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and saute for about 5 minutes. The carrot takes the longest to cook, so you'll want to give it a head start. Now I'm going to add my chopped onion and saute that for another 2 to 3 minutes. I just want the onion to become translucent. Here I'm adding the bell pepper, the white of the scallion. I'm going to saute. Now for my minced clove of garlic, and that's not going to take long to saute. Try not to burn anything. Here I'm adding the rice, and again, 1 cup of cooked rice works. I just use the microwave kind. So I'm going to break that apart. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of gochujang. This is a red pepper paste, a Korean red pepper paste, and things can get spicy, so a teaspoon works for me. Now I'm going to work that in and continue stir frying everything together. I'm going to finish off with some sesame oil, and I'm going to shut off the heat at this point and just combine everything, and this is done. Now I'm going to plate this up. I'm just going to use a rice paddle. It helps to shape it in a circular shape. You could also just put this in a bowl and flip it out onto the plate. Okay, so this is where I want it, so I'm going to set aside. So for the eggs, I'm just going to crack them into a bowl. And I'm just going to beat them until they are combined. Now there's so many ways that I've seen omurice made, but particularly in this show, it just looks like the husband poured the egg into a pan and cooked it kind of like a flat cake. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of unsalted butter. I think a nice buttery scrambled egg tastes good, so why not? I'm going to add a pinch of salt. This is salt to taste. And now I'm just going to sort of pull the cooked egg to the side and let some of the uncooked fall to the side and just sort of work it around the pan until it cooks more. Now right about here, I'm going to carefully give it a flip to cook the other side, and I actually am going to shut off the heat. The residual heat should cook this other side, and just give it a little press, and this is done. So now I'm just going to carefully put it on top of the rice. By the way, there goes the green tops. I forgot to add that in the pan. So now it's time for the ketchup. And I want it to look just like the drama, so I'm going to do my best here. So this looks just like the K-drama. I'm super excited. And I know it's going to be good because I make this all the time. So I'm going to dig in, and I don't know, do you guys like this series idea? I find when I watch any type of show or movie and there's food, I kind of want to recreate it. So let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas. By the way, this is so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.